I finally did it. I finally finished my start to finish Melodic Techno course. This took me months to make it, but I think in the end it's worth waiting. Let me show you. First off, you can find my courses mercurialtones.com. You will find a couple of different courses. For this one, it is the Melodic Techno start to finish. And inside the course, it looks like this. You will see all the courses on the left side. In every class you will find all the relevant files. I even supplied it with the extra samples and presets back so that it can help you to kickstart next project after you finish this course. Idea over here is I just take a blank Ableton file, completely empty, and start talking about my thought process and just create a track from the scratch. And every stage you will find the project file over here so that you can actually open the project file with me and take a look at it yourself. And we start with, of course, the foundation, making the beat, adding the bass, and then we create our idea, and then we go to drop, the chord progression, arrangement, improving the break, improving the drop, flow, arrangement, and then polishing, mixing, and mastering. And all of them I do step by step and explain everything I can. And I realized, okay, this was nice. From scratch they can see all the steps, but what if they want to also see a bit of my other tracks? So what I've done, I added a track breakdown. Whenever I make a good Melodic Techno track, I will probably just edit here so that you can come back always and learn new stuff. For example, this is the Wild Heart breakdown, so you can see how that is made. You probably don't know, but the cost of actually YouTube channel itself with all the designers and editors are triple times more than the money that I make. And I'm able to sustain my channel and all the content that I provide thanks to my courses and my sample and preset packs. So if you want to support the channel, or if you want to learn how to make good sounding Melodic Techno track, this course is for you. And the track that we were building from scratch ended up sounding like this. Interesting and cool track, but more importantly, we really cover all the basics and a lot of good tips and tricks as well. The links are on the description.